This is how to use your clear flood function on your Ford to build oil pressure after you have an oil change. Or if you just want to crank the engine without it firing, here you go. And Shabo is going to help me demonstrate this. Turn the key to the ignition on position. Push the clutch in. Floor the gas pedal. Crank the engine as long as you want. The engine will not start because the fuel injectors will not fire. Now go ahead and let up on the gas pedal all the way. Hey, look at that. Fires right up. And that, my friends, is a clear flood function. It works on older fuel injection Fords. It even works on newer fuel injection Fords. It won't work on a carbureted Ford, but the clear flood function is your friend when you want to crank it.